What's up guys, it's Sir Condo Man DK here from SMDC International. Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable property investment within Metro Manila? So right now, nandito tayo sa showroom ng Vine Residences dito sa may SM Novaliches. So yung property natin is actually located sa tabi lang ng SM. So walking distance lang siya. So paglabas mo ng property, easily accessible na sa may SM Mall. So pasukin natin yung sample unit na 2-bedroom. Just imagine for only 14,000 pesos per month lang, meron ka ng 2-bedroom unit na katulad nito na pwede mong tirhan o pwede mo ring paupahan. Good for rental business ito since katabi lang ito ng SM City Novaliches. So you have easy access sa shopping mall, groceries, restaurants, and cinemas. Malapit din to sa ginagawang subway train from Quezon City all the way yan to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. If you are working abroad naman and planning na gawin itong rental business, no need to worry because we have leasing team na pwedeng mag-handle ng rentals ng unit mo kahit nasan ka man sa buong mundo. Kung naghahanap ka naman ng unit na pwede na agad lipatan, we also offer rent-to-own units for Vine Residences. So there you have it. Just imagine wala ka nang mahanap ng ganyang kagandang 2-bedroom unit within Metro Manila for as low as 14,000 pesos monthly. So if you are interested, click the send message button below or you can directly message me and I'll be happy to assist you.